friends, welcome to Wealth Guru. And here I am back again with another exciting stock tip. And today the stock tip is Radico Khaitan. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you get notification every time we bring in such videos. So the stock recommendation is from 5 Paisa, and as you can see, and the stock has been recommended few days back in the price range of 581 to 589 for a target price of close to 670. So even if you take the current price of almost 605 or so, you still have around 10% upside left in the stock. So buy it now if you haven't already, with a stop loss of 570 with a target price of 670. So now that being said, let's do a deep dive into the technical and fundamental to see how the stock is currently poised for the next up move. Now going into the stock to just have a glimpse of how it has performed over the years and what's the strength, weakness, opportunity and threat looks like. Let's go over to this portal. So as you can see, Radico Khaitan has a market cap of close to 8,173 crores, so which is a decent mid-sized company with a PE of 34 in the last 12 months. So considering decline in sales in the last 12 months, this really is definitely a good number. Moreover, their profit in the last quarter, which is almost 84 crores. And if you look at the stock, which has performed almost close to doubled in last 12 months, from 340 in June of last year to reach a level of almost 610 now. So definitely it has risen a lot. And let's see what are the strength, weaknesses and opportunity threat looks like. Let's go to the SWOT analysis. So if I do a SWOT analysis, you will find that there are a lot of strengths on the stock, almost 13, the 5 weaknesses and 2 opportunities. Going into the strength first, there's effective use of shareholder fund, so which basically means the return on equity has been improving for the last 2 years. That's good news. There's efficient in managing the assets to generate profits, so ROA is also increasing. There's growth in the net profit with increasing profit margin quarter on quarter, so that also is a positive for Radico Khaitan. Moreover, the growth in quarterly net profit is also increasing profit margin year on year. That's also increasing. The company has low debt, very minimal debt on this company. There's increasing profit every quarter for the past 3 quarters and increasing revenue for the last 2 quarters, as well as there is net profit improving for the last 2 years. So the performance level the company is doing really good, and the book value per share is also improving. There are also things like there is zero promoter plays, that is also helping, and FII and FPI also improving the stake in the company, that is also helping the stock. Going into the weaknesses, there's poor cash generated from its core business, so there is declining cash flow from operations for the last 2 years. There's degrowth in revenue and profit in terms of growth percentage. The promoters are decreasing their shareholding pattern. We'll see how the current shareholding looks like. There is also decline in net cash flow, and dark cloud cover, bearish reversal also is there. In terms of opportunities, there's RSI indicating price strength on the stock, and there is no threats as such. Going to the shareholding pattern, you will see that promoters held almost 40% of this stock, mutual funds hold 15%, FII hold 19.46%, public hold 23%, and others are 1.7%. So nothing wrong with the shareholding pattern. As the only thing is the promoters are reducing their share, but that should not be a big concern right now. So overall, on the strength, it is really definitely a good buy. And moreover, if the stock declines from this level because of stress in the market, then obviously we can add onto this stock whenever you get such opportunities. Alright, so I hope you liked this video, and if yes, do not forget to give a thumbs up to this video, and do not forget to give a subscribe to this channel if you're new to the channel. Thanks a lot.